Downloading all your emails from Gmail is quick and simple. Let me guide you through the process. First, open a web browser on any device and go to myaccount.google.com. In the top right corner, click on your profile to ensure you're signed into the correct Google account associated with the emails you want to download. Next, navigate to the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down to Data from Apps and Services You Use. Select Content Saved. Locate Gmail, tap on Download, and you'll be redirected to Google Takeout. From here, click Next Step, then choose how you'd like to receive your data. Via email link or transferred to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Select the file format, zip is recommended, and set the file size between 1 GB and 4 GB. Finally, click Create Export. Depending on the amount of data, the process may take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Once it's ready, Google will email you a download link, allowing you to access your emails anytime.